This is the day 13 of our 40-day series where we'll be analyzing 40 plus projects across North Bangalore. Hi, I'm Anshika from PropSoch and welcome to PropScope, our brand new series that is going to change how you look at Bangalore real estate. Over the next 40 days, we are going to deep dive into 40 projects in North Bangalore and give you all the facts with no marketing jargons. So subscribe us to not miss out on our journey. And today we are scoping Living Tree by Kalyani Developers. It sits on a massive 25 acres of land parcel in Bangalore. The project offers 1, 2 and 3 BHK units ranging from 579 to 1,927 square feet. It comprises a total of 2,736 units across 6 towers, each rising 25 floors high. With a density of 109 units per acre, which is significantly higher than the market average of 70. The project offers 84% open space and with over 40,000 square feet of clubhouse that includes multiple lifestyle and sports amenities like pet park, amphitheater, swimming pool, gym, sauna, and various sports facilities like basketball, badminton, football ground, squash, running track, and even skating court. You know, location is everything in real estate. So now let's talk about the connectivity picture. So Living Tree sits on a 32-meter approach road in developing Bangalore area. Your daily metro commute options comes from Dorjala metro station at around 7 kilometers. Railway connectivity comes from Kempegowda Halt railway station, which is around 10.9 kilometers. For frequent air travelers, Kempegowda International Airport is just 13.3 kilometers, which is roughly 30-35 minutes by road. Your multiple metro alternatives includes Beta Halsur metro station at around 7 kilometers and Chikkajala metro station at around 8 kilometers. The project sits strategically on North Bangalore's developing Bangalore corridor, which is known for its close proximity to IT and manufacturing corridors, which is making it ideal for professionals who are seeking modern living with excellent airport connectivity. Now let's check how actually this legal status looking like. So Living Tree has secured all 7 out of 7 legal approvals by RERA. That includes your height NOC, development plan, Khata, fire NOC, water NOC, among others. To view the complete list of documents, comment PropScope and we'll share the link with you. Now let's talk about pricing. So it stands at around 8,400 rupees per square feet, while Bangalore's average micro market sits at 9,400 rupees per square feet. This is making it attractively priced because it is 1,000 rupees per square feet below market average. Unit prices spans from 50 lakhs to 1.6 crores. But remember, registration and statutory charges are additional. Lastly, the project's RERA possession date is scheduled for September 2029. If you would like to know the pros and cons of properties like this on 80 plus key parameters, then click on the link given in the description box and register for our guided home buying program where we'll be helping you find the right home that fits your needs. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications because we'll be taking you through 40 days of navigating North Bangalore real estate market with expert guidance.